Hi there! This is Mary from InboxAlly, and today we're going to talk about sending to seed emails. So before we begin, I'd just like to mention that we have already created a sender profile, and we have a sender email. In order to see how to do any of those steps, please take a look at any of our previous videos. So let's begin. In order to start sending to seed emails, I would need to download them. I will find the tab that says Seed Emails in the navigation bar on the left. Once I've clicked this tab, it will show me how many seed emails I have to play with. For example, here I have about 100 seed emails I can use. Then, I will click Download All Seed Emails. Or I can choose a range of seed emails instead. For this example, I want to use all the seed emails I have, so I'll just click the Download Seed Emails button, and it will download a CSV file to my computer. I can then use this CSV file for the next steps. Once downloaded, you can just upload this seed emails list as a CSV file to your preferred email sending tool. You can then start sending out your campaign to these seed emails. That means you will be sending emails to them, just like you would email your regular prospects. Here I am in my sending tool. Yours will look different, depending on which tool you use to send out your campaigns. After I create a campaign, I'll assign seed emails to the campaign just like I assign regular prospects. In this example, I'm assigning 500 seed emails to the campaign. Checking back into the InboxAlly app dashboard later, it says, "Yay, our seed emails have started receiving your broadcast." This means your sample data will be replaced with real results within 4 hours. So let's take a look at our results, specifically the broadcasting data once I have sent out a campaign to the seed emails. To see how many emails are received at our end, let's take a look at the Broadcast tab. 2 hours after sending, you'll see something like this with the subject line of the email sent to the seed list, identified as a broadcast. Out of the 500 emails sent, 48 have been recognized and engaged with after 2 hours. Fast forward to 8 hours, and the tool has received or engaged with around 200 emails. After 1 day, that number jumps to 300, and it keeps climbing. It goes up to 409 at day 2, and the inboxing has gone up to 81% from the initial 58%. Now let's take a look at day 3. We are up to 447 at day 3 and 83% inboxing. Now you know how to send to your seed emails and track their results. Go forth and optimize your email campaigns like a pro. Thanks for watching. You can check out our other videos in the same channel. Have a great day.